All right, today we got something a little different. I just got these in from Mayce Collectibles. 2021 Mayce UFC Hobby Box Repack First Editions. I got 4 of them. I honestly bought them not even knowing what they were. Mayce Collectibles usually puts out a really good repack product, does a lot for the community. I bought 4 boxes because I hate money and just kidding. These look pretty slick. I did the holiday boxes with him. He puts out a good product, so he was really excited about these. I didn't look too deep into what they include. So this is sort of going to be like you and I are going to be discovering stuff at the same exact time here because I don't know what to expect. I know he said like, "Ooh, you can collect these and store them unopened." Not my style. If I get something, I can never just hold on to it and not open it. Really nice packaging here. Well done on that. Now let's see how this works here. Two bubble mailers. And then excellent branding there. Nice high quality business card. Okay. I'm gonna guess. Let me lower this a little bit here. Make sure this is level. It's not, but good enough. All right, so I guess you just rip these open here. Is there an order? I don't know. Let's do this one first. Silver. Having a whale. I've never had to open a team pack like that. That's my fault. All right, I'm gonna guess we go this way because I never heard of this guy before. And here we go. Cathal Pendred. Lineker. Clay Guida. Fighting Saturday. Keith Jardine. I remember him. Knocked out Forrest Griffin. Insert the Terracera. Claudia. It's a good picture of her from 2020 flagship. She's got, I think, in 2015 champions. Ooh, there's my boy. Makachev. Not a rookie card. He's still going to be a hot ticket item one day. Ostovich, 2019 Chrome rookie card, no longer in the UFC, unfortunately. Peter Yan, 2020 decades. Next, Stephan Bonner, thick boy. What's this, from 2010, right? Yeah, 2010. All right, that's the first sub pack of the 1-2 packs. I don't know how it works really. Let's see if the blue is, let's see if we opened it the proper order. It looks like we did. Dan Miller, Francis Ngannou, Haig versus Berry. If I'm Pat Barry, I don't want to be named on this card in that position. Jacare 2019 Chrome, Claudia 2018 Chrome. Yep. Brian Foster. Ostovich 2019 Chrome Refractor rookie. Benavidez WEC. Oh, very nice. An RDA 2017 Chrome, 66 of 99. Any way you look at it. Love the looks of these, like 2017, 2018, 2019 Chrome cards. Phenomenal. Sad that they're not going to be making Chrome anymore, honestly, for the UFC. All right. I don't know how much these boxes cost. Which is kind of embarrassing. Because he put them up a long time ago, and then, you know, he put up front that it was going to take a while to send them out. Sorry about that, I'm parched. Just got back from jiu-jitsu class not too long ago. All right, this is the second pack of the first box. And then there's, this is the first sub pack of the second pack of the first box. Machida, don't know. Hendo. Koscheck. God, did anyone like Josh Koscheck? Did he have like a single fan? Mike Brown, now like one of the GOAT coaches. Dustin Poirier's coach. Joanna's coach. American Top Team coach. Tito Ortiz, he's about to get like impeached or fucking overthrown. Voted no confidence. Star Wars Episode 1 shit. Triple C, Triple Dork. There he is. The man of the hour right now. Dustin the Diamond Poirier. That's from his fight with Max Holloway. That fight was a lot closer than most people think, by the way, in my opinion. And then we got a Carl Roberson, Chrome Rookie. Paige Van Zant. Silver. Did she fight in bare knuckle? I didn't see anything about it on Twitter. I thought I saw something like her card was Saturday. I don't know. I don't really watch bare knuckle boxing, but I probably should because I'm a junkie for like all kind of fights. That's a silver variant. And this is the second pack, last pack from the first, I don't know. Here we go. I like that he hides the back. Keep the suspense at an all-time high. And here we go. Dodson. There he is. Max with the stash. Holloway. He was the man of the hour before Dustin stole his thunder. There he is. This guy's like severely underappreciated, undervalued. I didn't like him at first because of his personality. Now, kind of an Usman fan. He's really good. I can't wait for his rematch with Colby Covington. I heard that inside information might be coming soon. Thiago Tavares, Marlon Moraes, man, sad story. He just has no chin anymore, man. Might be time to hang it up. Holly Holm, Chad Mendez, WEC, Thomas Strahl, Javal. Oh God, Jessica I. Jessica I, 2019 Chrome Refractor. I hope they keep her in the UFC because it's quite profitable for me. Anyway, nice Amanda Nunes 2019 Chrome Fire insert. Green, Eric Perez. I'm not looking at the last card. It's hidden by my tripod here. This one's numbered 62 of 288. And then the last, oh, wow. That's a hell of a last card there. Henry Cejudo, Triple C, on-card auto from 2018 Chrome, numbered 25 of 25. That's an eBay 1 of 1. I think these boxes were $55 or $70. Maybe they were 40? Because I bought 4 and I want to say it was like 40 bucks a box or something. I don't know if they're still available. I'm sorry if this is false advertising. This is a really sick looking card. Like I wasn't gassing it up. Like I do just love Chrome autos, man. Especially of such a great fighter. Orange variant, 25 of 25, eBay 101. Slam dunk of a first box, I would say there. No complaints on that one. I guess we're going to open all 4 right here. This is going to be a long video, but, you know. The real ones will watch the whole thing. I'm probably not going to do a recap at the end. Here we go. Branding, number 1. Now we got, you get 1 box that has 2 packs of 2 packs each, 4 packs, sub-packs. Get right into it here. Start flying. Let's start flying. That was sort of like I wanted to cut my hand if I leave this up. Sort of just wanted to show all the cards that you'd be getting. And here we go. Dan Miller, Safadine, Rumble Johnson. Damn, Pat Barry. Macy's must be a Pat Barry fan. You want to get rid of all these ones of him getting his ass whooped. Matashenko. This guy actually fought John Jones. Like, that was like when I was first getting into the UFC. Kenny Florian. Another evil eye. Jeremy Stevens. Who the f is that guy? Kunitskaya, rookie card. Gustafson. Young Gustafson. Very young Gustafson, UFC debut. Okay. Now to the blue. The blue is where the heat is. I'm finding out. I'm very glad I held that Cejudo out for the last card of that last box. Brandao, before he got murdered by Connor. Kai Kara France, future. He'll be in the flyweight division a long time. Polo Tiago. Ivanov. Colby Covington. I think I got one of these base 2018 chromes of Covington in the holiday box. Rashad Evans. Nate Marquardt. That's a thick boy. Cyborg Refractor. 2019 chrome. Alexander Hernandez. Not a rookie card. 2019 chrome diamond hot box. And the hit. Oh, wowzers. The full auto for her too is a rarity. Joanna, my girl, that's my second auto for her. I pulled one out of 2019 chrome, the gold, and then I got this one. This is sick. The lighting's not ideal here at the kitchen table. Numbered 88 of 99, 2017 knockout Joanna. Heat so far. I am very satisfied, especially since I don't remember how much I paid for all this stuff. I feel like I got this for, I spent the money so long ago. I don't even remember how much I paid. I think they were $40. I think I paid $140 for 4 boxes. It was like a Black Friday sale. Don't really remember. There we go. Joe Bond, rookie. He just commentated on LFA, Al Iaquinta. Sosinski, I love this dude back in the day, straight out of Poland. He was always brawling with, what's his name? The dude on The Ultimate Fighter. He was a complete whack job. Junie Browning, that's who it was. Forrest, my boy back in the day too. Hermanson, Thiago Santos, Hans Nibio. Man, I think he's done. Like, he could not have looked worse. He looked like a ghost in the octagon last fight, and it's honestly sad to see because I think injuries just did him in. I know they'll give him another chance. And unless he shows drastic improvement, I think his career is dust. Tisha Torres silver to cap off the silver pack. Tiny Tornado. Okay. Bluebird time. The heat. The heat. I mean, the hits I've gotten so far are sick. I know the lighting's not good on that, but neither is the placement. Neither is the person filming the video. But what are you gonna do? I set stuff up on the desk I usually do this on, and don't have enough room anymore to film on the desk. I'll figure out better lighting next time. Stevens, Rothwell, Velasquez, Sugar Sean. Man, not a fan of that dude anymore. Thiago Santos, Frank Mir. Oh my God, is that Crow Cop? doesn't look like he's about to have a good time. Curtis Blades refractor, nice. Gohan Saki Future Stars 2019. Oh, this was not a setup. This was random. This is a sick one. That's the 2017 Frankie Green refractor. I'm going to hide the last hit for myself and the viewers, because this is the real hit. 90 of 99. Frankie the Answer Edgar, plus 375 underdog on Saturday. I mean, has the guy ever looked like a plus 375 underdog? Maybe versus the Korean Zombie that he took on short notice. Other than that. And nice. Last card of the box to go with the auto that came out of the last blue pack. Joanna, knockout insert, Pulsar Wave or something, 65 of 99. That's awesome. So that's this box. Excellent. All right, number 3. This is so many cards. This is like, you get so many. Look at this. I haven't been doing this very efficiently, but you get, this is like, if you want to like jumpstart a collection. Where's that Joanna autograph? Let me put these all together. If you're trying to jumpstart like your own MMA card, UFC card collection, I mean, go ahead and spring for a couple of these bad boys and you're well on your way. And then join the Discord chat and start collecting your favorite fighters. Mix them off. I don't want to get the auto off the bat. I want to save that for last. First pack, first silver pack. I'm horribly inefficient at opening these. All right, here we go. Caraway, my boy. St. Pierre versus Sarah. Lieben, Cole Miller, Faber, Lauren Murphy, Holly Holm, Kamaru Usman, Ben Askren, knockout insert. Man, I just got a pile of cards here. What did I do? Blue. You know what? I'm going to save the 2 blues for last. Because that's seemingly where all the heat's coming from. The silver's just to get you a little, it's like an appetizer, get you tantalized. Look, I'm so bad at opening these. Ronda versus Betch Correa. Holy shit, Betch Correa. I think she's still in the UFC too. Leon Dos Santos, Hendo, Munoz, Faber, Dom Reyes, Ben Askren rookie, Edmund Shabazian rookie card, foil. I don't know. I don't have too much 2020 flagship, so I don't know if all the rookies are foil or what. He needs a bounce back, or he needs to change camps or something. Okay, now we got 2 blues. 2 blues. 2 blues, if I can figure out how to open them. Okay. Lawler, Pellegrino, Renau, Ferreira, Verdum, Grisby, Dan Miller, Polyana Viana, rookie card, refractor, Mayce Volkanovski, is that from 2020? Dillashaw, short print photo variation. I think these are all refractors. I didn't know he had a photo variant in 2019 chrome. And a nice Chuck Liddell throwback. Oh, it's numbered 72 of 99. That's a nice looking card there. Could you imagine if Chuck, I don't want to like be disrespectful, but could you imagine if Chuck Liddell was in the UFC now and he was fighting like John Jones, how he would do? Just like the evolution of all types of sports. Like, go back and watch an NBA game from the 1960s, and then imagine Giannis, like on that court with those guys, and how he would make those guys look. It's just crazy how like the evolution of sport happens. All right, probably gonna have a nice hit in this one. I think we saved the hit for the second blue pack this time. Rory McDonald in the fight with Lawler. Duffy versus Tim Hague. Was that the fastest knockout before Masvidal? It was like 8 seconds or something. Ponzi. Sajara Whitaker. Cowboy Oliveira, rookie card refractor. I gotta get closer here. My problem is I put my head above the camera and then I go, like my head's up here. I'm looking here instead of at the camera, how you guys will see it. Gomi UFC debut. GSP throwback and the hit. Oh, nice. The Black Beast. Wow. 5 of 8 from 2020 flagship. These are all fire boxes. I mean, I have no complaints about any of these. That's a nice short print ruby. Derek Lewis. Who's Derek Lewis? Derek Lewis is fighting Blades, right? Not liking his chances on that one. All right, last box. Box number 4. My kitchen table is a disaster right now. We'll do the same thing. Silvers. Two blues in the 4th box. I don't know if that's a mistake, but I got 3 blues and 2 silvers in the last box. Now I'm excited. This video is already 23 minutes. I was hoping it would be under half hour, because who's going to sit here and listen to me and watch me open packs? I guess some of you, because I do it. Jorgensen. I'm doing it again. Court McGee. Nog. Dunham. Cote. Shogun. Little, I think she's actually Big Shevchenko. Future Stars. Rakic. That's for sure. Sugar Sean again. 2020 Kron Gracie. Michelle Watterson. Silver in the silver pack. I don't know why I put that one up there. Second silver. Here we go. I'm gonna have a fun time sorting these tonight. I actually got a lot to do after this. Liz Carmouche, Juliana Lima, Corey Anderson, Hendricks debut versus Amir Sadala, Elliot Marshall, Roger Huerta, Holly Holm, Cowboy, Gohan Saki, rookie card, Misha Tate, silver, climbing the ranks, Michael Johnson. He's fighting Clay Guida on Saturday. Not numbered, but a nice insert there of the menace. He was climbing the ranks until he ran into like Justin Gaethje and Khabib, and it was just, he's looked good in fights and then he just loses them somehow. All right, three blue packs to wrap this all up. Misha Tate, Shogun, Joanna, Nunez, Kevin Lee, chrome rookie card. A nice Octagon of Honor, Jose Aldo. Tyron Woodley. I'm gonna block again because I think that's numbered. I'm almost positive. It is 78 of 99. Woodley. Francis Ngannou. What's this number to? 22 of 69. Nice. Francis Ngannou black, I guess. It's nice. Oh, there we go. Johnny Hendricks. Auto. Not numbered. Am I not seeing it? Yeah, not numbered. Top of the class. Johnny Hendricks auto. Nice. I mean, him versus GSP, I think, is the worst decision in MMA history. I say that because if you go to MMAdecisions.com, like not one media member gave that fight to GSP. And usually that's not the case. Usually you'll find some media members that you can sort of understand what was going on, but that one was just ridiculous. Damian Maia, Francis, Nico Montano, rookie, Bilal Muhammad, rookie, Bobby Knuckles, 2019 knockout, Walt Harris, X-Fractor, rookie, Kiesa Green, numbered 118 of 288. All right. Let's see if we get some last pack heat. If not, this was the heat. Pre-USADA Hendricks. Clearly. All right. Oh, shit. It just appeared. It wasn't I pulled it out like it was going to be a pack. JoJo just won a lot of money on her versus Jessica I. This is actually, for Striking Signatures, this is a short print. 14 of 58. JoJo Calderwood. Very nice. So to recap, I think I have all the hits readily available. All the autos. All right, I'm back at the desk on mobile. Just a quick recap of just like the autograph hits I got out of the Mayce Collectibles first edition hobby boxes. First up, Johnny Hendricks, 2016 top of the class autograph. Striking Sigs, JoJo Calderwood, 14 of 58. Henry Cejudo, 2018 Chrome Orange, 25 of 25, eBay 101. My girl, Joanna Champion. $88 of 99 from 2017 knockout. And then Derek the Black Beast Lewis. Ruby from 2020 flagship, numbered 5 of 8. Well done, Mayce.